Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Raise a Crazy Beauty, chapter 39. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to General Shaorong. Right now, she was thinking about Baiman. General Sharon said to herself, "This is Baiman. Even if she is always in disguise, he always punished me with an unpredictable heart." Well, definitely she was right. The way Baiman showed her affection. Somewhat she was good, but someone it was bad. The favorite white man. Only we're the real ones in this world. Baiman understand me, and also understand Baiman. We are all planning to rebellions in this world and never want to compromise someone. Back to Princess Baiman, since she was still arguing with her mother. Baiman, you are really ruining my teaching to you. You will only harm the Bai family. If you insist for the Bai family's century-old Kingshu, you can only be expelled by the Bai family. Well, definitely her mother is going to expel her because she thinks that Baiman is not capable of getting her family into limelight again. Now, Baiman responded to her mother and see, "I see, mother. I should have too much expectations for my parents, but it was all gone. I'm not that kind of person and I can be the kind of person anymore. Put my hopes on others. I can do it." Now, she told her mother, focus on something else, not hers. She is really willing to give up. The Bai family can accept others people arrange softly. I need love to like, to make herself happy, ask me who I am, and pursue the meaning of my life even it was destroyed. Baiman said to her mother, but her mother, she don't want to listen to her anymore. Baiman stood up. I can be like you, whatever you want. You are full stream, Manyang, her mother said to her. Well, this is really tough. Even her own mother is really despising her and wants to disown her as a member of the Vai family. Madam, stop. From then on, well, definitely she really want to go. Even though someone is stopping her. Man, she was really sure to herself that she want to go out on Bai family, even without her support. It was politics. Bai family just pretend that I am not their own daughter. Well, it really makes sense to Baiman. That's why right now she want to go. She don't want to argue with her own mother who don't want to listen to her. Manyang, Manyang, someone is calling her. Still, she will not look back. Well, definitely, it was really important, but right now, since she was not in her good conditions, right now she continued to walk outside. My family has nothing to do with me anymore. Nine Kings has never taken me to the heart, and they fly together with one Xiaoyin. So right now, Princess Baiman really feels exhausted. She only thinks that about herself. Right now, she is alone. Xiaorong and Dugushans are also approaching. It's still the same in my life. I'm the only one. So right now, that she really feels hopeless. That no one's gonna get her. Or she's not important to anyone. I want to love, to like, to make myself happy. Can I do what 1,000 women can do? Well, right now, she continued to think. She was walking on the street alley without being aware of the surroundings. Sharon, well, definitely she was thinking about her. Whether you love it or not, I agreed with her. If there is a moment. So right now, she only think about General Sharon. Well, can she really fall in love with her? Let's see on what will happen. I can think about nothing. No need to worry about nothing. Well, definitely she was right. Right now, she is really overthinking. She doesn't know that the people around her was looking at her at this moment. With a dress like that, of course, she will consider a noble person. Suddenly, look at her. Someone bumped into her. She falls on the floor. Who could be there to stumble her? Well, definitely. There's a horse. It seems that he was not in the mood. And it's like it's going to rampage on the street. The horseman is trying to calm down the horse. It's not calming down. Instead, the horseman loses the control of the horse. Now the horse is riding on the street and was going to Princess Baiman. Everyone feels shocked. Princess Baiman still sitting on the ground. Well, the horse is coming to her. Wait, somebody help her, right? Well, let's see. Princess Baiman. She looks really terrified. She knows to herself that the horse will come through her. Oh, it must really painful. If the horse stumbled towards her, everyone seems to be screaming, but right now the horse is really coming through her. It might go into press her, and it could really cause a faint. Well, someone might help her. Until now, the horse was still on the top of hers. Well, let's see. Suddenly, Baiman, she was screaming. Of course, it was really terrifying. The horse is in front of hers. It seems that it was a really painful day for her. Suddenly, someone grabbed the princess. It's going to save her. Well, let's hope. There's no more injuries about her. Turns out, it was General Sharo coming towards her, and now she really grabbed her. General Sharo, it turns out, from her mother's palace. She continued to follow her. So, it was good fate of General Sharo. She continued to follow her even though she knows that Baiman, she is not in the good state at this moment. Princess Baiman gently opening her eyes. Probably she wants to see Sharo. Well, she know her voice. Anya, it's alright. General Sharo trying to calm her down. She took down the horse. It's so scary. You come and drag the horse down. Why don't you speak? Sharong is asking her. Baiman, are you hurt? Sharong, she continued to ask her question. But Baiman, she is not speaking. But she was only keeping herself in silence. General Sharong said to her, don't scare me, okay? Now, she's trying to appease her. Well, maybe right now. She was really terrified about what's happening. Sharong, when Princess Baiman looked at her, she was really crying. It's because my mood has changed. Princess Baiman, she was really crying at this moment. So, because I actually felt that Sharon became familiar and unfamiliar to hers. Well, let's see on what will happen next week. Right now, General Sharon was with her. She is not hurt. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!